Âu Lạc or Vietnam supports citizens in celebrating Lunar New Year. The General Department of National Reserves of Âu Lạc or Vietnam provided more than 5,500 tons of rice to assist residents of 8 localities in celebrating 2025's Tet or Lunar New Year and pre-harvest season. Accordingly, the Regional National Reserve Department distributed more than 146.7 tons of free rice from the National Reserve to the provinces of Hà Giang, Cao Bằng, Bắc Ninh, Ninh Thuận, Kon Tum, Đắk Lắk, Đắk Nông, and Sóc Trăng. The rice was delivered before Tet, which marks the start of spring according to the Aulassis or Vietnamese calendar. Our appreciation, General Department of National Reserves of Âu Lạc or Vietnam, for your compassionate support of the people. May your citizens always be cared for in Buddha's compassion.